Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts. I want to compare our new in 1904 to see if you can replace your Monojet with it, which we do say you can do it. And I'm going to show you the differences. Now, there's no such thing as a direct replacement. The only time you have a direct replacement is if you get the exact same carburetor and put it back on the same car. And there are no new Monojets made that I'm aware of that actually work. So if there was, we'd sell it. All right, first of all, the mounting will work just fine. This has a lot of cutouts on the Monojet. Don't worry about that. The 1904 just gets its vacuum from inside the bore. So with this gasket that comes with the carburetor, you're going to be just fine. You can see how it blocks off all this stuff. So just use this gasket and you'll be fine. It'll fit the intake. The next thing is this is your vacuum line on the Monojet for distributor advance, and on this one here, it's right here, and actually comes with a fitting that goes in here, a little barb fitting, so you can run your hose to it, probably the same size. This one has an extra one up here. You're not going to have that, so watch for that. I can't remember what this one is for exactly, but if you need it, I think we have a plastic tee you can adapt to this to put more, to use more than one vacuum line. Let's see. And a thing like this is for your float bowl vent. And this is to take the fumes from a float bowl and put it back in the engine. This carburetor does not have that. It's just going to vent to the atmosphere. The vent happens to be right here. So same thing with this. You're not going to have that. The fuel inlet on the Monojet comes in the front, and on the 1904 it's out the side, so you'll have to reroute your fuel line. The throttle goes the same way, same direction. And this one here, this will come off. This one here, you can move it 360 degrees, so it'll work for just about anything. Okay, manual choke. Your choke has to come into here. So this will not work on a hot air choke or even a divorce choke. It's got to be, you got to have a cable that comes from the dash, comes out to the carburetor. So there you go. And this one, by the way, has an adjustable jet. And there's good directions, and it comes with a carburetor. Once you get it all installed, you adjust that jet and fine-tune it to your engine. So this is a great carburetor. We've had really good luck with it. Like I say, it's not an exact match. You're going to have to do a little work. If you need an exact match, you don't know how to do this stuff, then you need to find one exactly like this somehow. Not going to be easy. The other thing you got to think about is the air cleaner. This one has air cleaner screws in. We do have an adapter that you can get for these. I think it's listed along with the carburetor that modifies it so you can use this type of an air cleaner on it, where it screws right in the middle of it. So there you go. I hope that information helps you. Thank you.